In this video, I'm going to share a pro tip about transplanting tomatoes into containers. Hey guys, horticulturist Gary Bachman. I want to give kind of a final update on the New Year's Day tomatoes that I sowed. These are those Siberians. They're a great early season tomato. Transplant them into these 3-gallon nursery containers, and they can go outside. 3-gallon containers right now. It's middle of February. If it gets cold again, boom, I get to slide them right in the back porch. Makes it really easy peasy. Later on, maybe when it really know that we're past the frost, I'll step these up maybe into a 7-gallon or maybe even a 10-gallon, grow some huge tomato plants earlier, or later this spring. But anyways, what we want to do is I have filled these containers, and if you watch the micro dwarf tomatoes that I transplanted, this is the same mix. This is the Miracle Grow moisture control mix, and I have amended this with 1 cup pelletized dolomite per cubic foot of mix and 1/2 cup of Osmocote per cubic foot of mix. So that's already done, and I showed that in the other video. So what we want to do with this, we want to pop these transplants out of this 4-cell. This is that Bootstrap Farmer real heavy duty plastic 4-cell container. Love Bootstrap Farmer products. So what we're going to do is these 4 cells have holes in the bottom, and you can just pop your finger in there. Oops, I'm turning it the wrong way. And then you can pull the transplant out. Look at that. Look at the root system on that. That is gorgeous. And all I'm going to do with this is, I got to set this down for a second. I'm just going to dibble a big deep hole with my hand and watch how far, here we do it like that, watch how far this goes into that container. We're going to pop that down in, and I'm going to pop the bottom 2 sets of leaves off and do that. Planting deep with a tomato is a great pro tip. That doing that, the tomato will root all the way up this, all the way up the stem, giving you a bigger root system. It's going to make for a healthier plant. It's going to be more drought tolerant because there's more roots to harvest water. Now here, before I put this one in, I'm actually going to take those lower leaves off. But again, see how big that stem is, and I'm really reaching down in there, and I'm just going to jam that in. Okay, let's go ahead and do another one. Why don't I dibble the hole first, huh? Again, we'll take those 2 lower leaves off. Probably don't have to do that, but I just kind of like to do it. Push it in there. Bring the mix all up, and then we've got one more to do. And the same thing, kind of reach down in here, and I'll tell you, there's something strangely pleasant about sticking your hand down into a pot of really good potting mix. If you haven't done that in a while, or you haven't done it since last spring or last summer, try it now. It reminds you of what's coming, and then we'll put that in like that. So there we go. I've got all 4 of these potted. They're going to go out on the back porch, get watered in, and hopefully we're going to get some tomatoes pretty soon. If this video helps you grow better and avoid mistakes, go ahead, hit that subscribe button. My new videos here are all about practical gardening and advice that really works. This is real world horticulture.